Have you ever found yourself stuck in a cycle? Maybe you made a commitment to yourself that you're going to get up at 5 a.m. and do yoga or walk or run or something, but every time the alarm goes off, you hit snooze or you cuddle up with your partner or you just go back to sleep. Not that I have any personal experience with that at all. But you feel trapped. You feel trapped in this cycle. Maybe for you, it's picking up the phone when that person calls that you know you don't need to speak to anymore, or it's eating something that you know you shouldn't eat. And it's just a vicious cycle. But the good news is there is a way with practice that you can break that loop. And that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm Giovanna May Reese, and I'm the founder of the Hiatus Space, and I help ambitious women find the balance between doing and being. You are great at getting things done, but what about making space to actually enjoy the life that you're building? Here on this channel, we use mindfulness to set boundaries, to create clarity, and to practice self-care so that we can move through life and make decisions with intention instead of relying only on momentum. If you want more help with this mindful strategy and other mindfulness strategies, make sure you join my email list where I send out a free mindfulness tool in support of what I talk about on YouTube each week. So with today's short mindfulness strategy, we're talking about cycles, and the negative loops that we can get stuck in are overthinking or anxiety or procrastination. And what that looks like or could look like, for example, is you feel anxious about a task. And so you procrastinate and you keep putting it off, putting it off, putting it off. And so now you are stressed out and freaked out because you have put it off, which leads to more anxiety and you feeling even worse. And so now you're stuck. And so that is an example of a vicious cycle or a loop that we need to break. And the key to breaking that loop is finding the point of intervention. It's the point where you make a different choice, which leads to a healthier cycle. So, for example, instead of laying in the bed when you feel bad, maybe you get up and you take a 5-minute walk, which is going to give you some momentum, make you feel a little bit more positive, leading to another healthy choice, which is starting a healthier cycle. In order to break the pattern, we have to notice the pattern. And so that is step number one in the 3-step process of breaking these vicious cycles. So the first thing is to notice the actual pattern. What's the problem? And what are the feelings associated with the choices that I'm making in this instance? And then step number 2 is going to be to choose a different response. What can I do instead that is going to be a healthier choice mentally or physically that is going to move me in the right direction? And it doesn't need to be a big thing. It should be a very small thing, a small change that you can make that puts you in the right direction. And then the third part of this strategy is to reinforce that positive shift and to also reflect on it. How do I feel after making this choice versus how I normally feel when I do the thing that I normally do? And so what we are going to do now is we are going to do a short meditation to reinforce how we can break these cycles. So go ahead and start finding a place where you can get comfortable. I'm Giovanna May Reese. Thank you so much for joining me for today's guided meditation and for taking this time for yourself. All of us have cycles in our lives, habits of behavior and action, and some of them are positive, And sometimes they're negative. And even when we know they're negative, sometimes it's hard to stop. I hope today's guided practice will give you a tool you can use to help you break one of your cycles. I invite you to find a comfortable seat and gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take in a deep breath and slowly exhale. Now bring to mind a pattern in your life that feels like a cycle, something that keeps happening, leaving you feeling stuck. Notice what emotions are tied to this cycle: frustration, fear, shame. Just observe them without judgment. What thoughts are feeding this cycle? Maybe it's "I'll never change" or "What's the point?" Just notice the thoughts without clinging to them. Now ask yourself, what's one small action you could take to shift this pattern? It doesn't have to be something big, just something different. Maybe it's taking a breath before reacting, stepping outside, reaching out to someone, or simply choosing a different thought. Maybe it's not picking up the phone when that person calls. Imagine yourself taking this small action, and how does it feel in your body? What changes? Now visualize this action leading to a better outcome, a moment of relief, clarity, progress. See the cycle rewiring itself, shifting into something healthier. Let this feeling settle into your body. You are not stuck. You have the power to make a different choice. Before we finish, take one last deep breath in and let it go. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed, or lift your gaze, bringing yourself fully back into this moment. And I want you to remember that every cycle can be shifted. You don't have to change everything at once, just one small step at a time. If you have ever felt stuck in the negative loop, know that you are not alone. It's human, we all do it. But changing it is as simple as one small step. So let me know in the comments what's one small step that you can take to change one of your negative loops. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.